If there's one thing I know how to do, that is soft glam. Okay? What is up, y'all? Welcome back to my channel. If you're new, thanks for checking your girl out. So I'm super in love with the crave that is going on right now over soft glam makeup. I love soft glam makeup. All I ever do is soft glam makeup. Even when I play with color, it is soft glam makeup. So I'm going to be showing you how to create my version of really nice soft glam makeup look. It is super easy to do. Let's get started. Why y'all look at my grill like that, girl? Back up. All right, so I went ahead and zoomed you guys in really closely. So I'm gonna start off with doing my eyes first. And just in case you're in the market for a soft glam like palette, like a go-to palette, and you like warm colors, I just wanted to recommend two palettes to you really quickly before we get into the glam. And first one is the Huda Beauty Warms Obsession palette. This palette is one of my staples, one of my go-to for more neutral, natural, warm tone looks. And the palette that we're gonna be using in today's video, which is the Violet VOSS Crème Brûlée palette. I recently hauled this in my Sephora video, so if you haven't seen that, go ahead and check it out. But this is the palette we're gonna work with today. To start off, I'm gonna be taking this color right here, and I'm gonna go ahead and work that into my crease and use it as my transition color. So I turned on my ISO just a little bit, so hopefully you guys can see what I'm seeing, because sometimes it's very hard for me to tell because I don't have a monitor. But yeah, so I went ahead and applied it into my crease, and now I'm gonna go ahead and take this brown color in the palette, and now this is gonna add some depth to the look, but it's not going to be too overpowering. This brown actually has a bit of gold flecks in it, so I feel like it does play up the brown and allows it to come off a little bit more softer than usual. So that is it for the crease work. I'm gonna go ahead and take my NYX Glitter Primer and I'm gonna apply that to my lid. Y'all know how much I love this primer. I love to use this primer to help my lid color adhere a lot better, because my lids are very oily, and if I don't have some sort of primer on it, literally my eyeshadow look will not last the whole day. And then I'm gonna go ahead and take this color right here. I really like this color. There's something really special about it. Probably one of my favorite shimmers in the palette. It's very unique to me. So that is it for the eyes for now. Now when I think of like soft glam makeup, I think of healthy, beautiful looking skin. If you typically have oily skin, I would highly suggest maybe moving away from a matte foundation for this look. Maybe something that's like semi-matte and not so much all the way matte, because I feel like when you use a matte foundation, it just automatically takes your look to like the next level, like a full beat down. So I like to go with like a satin or like a dewy foundation. This is pretty much the only foundation I wear and have in my collection because it just works so well for my skin. So whatever foundation that you have that gives a nice healthy glow to your skin, you definitely want to rock with that for this type of makeup look. I love using dual fiber brushes because of the fact that they give a really nice and natural look to the skin, but they still allow your foundation to perform well and give you the height coverage that it would give. So as you can see, I didn't put on a lot of foundation. I like it for my skin to still look like skin. I personally don't mind if any of my pigmentation is peeking through. Like, that's totally normal for me. It's skin, it's natural. I'm human. What do you want me to do? What do you want me to do? What do you want me to do? So I'm going in with my BOBBI Brown Concealer. Once again, another product I recently hauled in my Sephora video. So if you haven't checked that out, shameless plug, go check it out. It's really good. I really like this concealer. It's super thick. It gives me such good coverage. It still allows my skin to look like skin. It wears well, and I love the undertone of this. Like, it gives me the brightness that I need, but without it making it look like gray and ashy. Do you see that? Coverage, but my skin still looks so good. Like, how? What is in this thing? Shout out to my roommate for putting me on. The plug. Appreciate you. Now I'm gonna take my Sacha Buttercup powder and I'm gonna go ahead and set my under eyes. I'm not gonna bake this. I'm not gonna bake my skin because I find that when you bake your skin, it tends to look a little bit more done up, and that's not the look we're going for. So I'm just gonna be using my Morphe E8 brush. I'm just gonna press that into my under eye. Now, girl, why y'all tell me Sacha Buttercup was that girl? Why y'all ain't tell me that? Y'all really been holding out. No, but seriously, I don't know what took me so long. This is definitely, in my opinion, worth all the hype I've heard about it. I'm also gonna set the rest of my face with the Laura Mercier translucent setting powder in Deep. And I'm not using a lot of this powder, just using it to set very lightly the rest of my face. All right, yet another product I recently hauled. I'm gonna be taking my Cover FX Dual, and I'm gonna use this to bronze up my skin. I really love this product. My main focus for my skin is bronzer. I feel like bronzer gives you a really nice, soft, kissed look, and I just prefer it over contouring. I find that contouring can be a bit harsh. There's nothing wrong if you prefer to contour, but for this look I definitely think that sticking with your bronzer is best. Next, I'm going to be taking the shimmer sides in this, and I'm going to use this as my highlight using the same brush. I really love this highlight shimmer. They call it a shimmer, but for me it's like a highlight. This is very much as close to as glow from within that I have seen in a highlighter in so long, and this is very much up my alley because I don't like a beaming highlight. I like a very natural looking highlight, and this product for me delivers that. So I'm gonna go ahead and apply my mole to my skin. I have like natural moles on my face, but they tend to get covered up when I do my makeup, and I like to use a brown eyeliner when I'm doing my moles instead of a black because I feel like it just looks a lot more realistic. Girl, I always have to hold my breath when I do that because I'm so scared to mess up the little dot. So that's pretty much it for the face. I'm gonna go ahead and do my brows off camera, and I'm gonna apply some lashes. Ever since I've been wearing lashes, I can't do my makeup without them. These ones are very natural. As you can see, they'll probably have like glue and a bit of buildup on them because I've been wearing them for a while. I've had these lashes for months. They're from my own brand, so if you want to shop with me, girl, link in the description box. Support a sister. So brows are done, lashes are on, and I went with a more natural lash in my line. And just to finish up the eyes, I'm going to be taking the brown and smudge that along my lower lash line. So last, to finish up the eyes, I'm going to be taking my Clinique Bottom Lash Mascara. Moving on to the lips, I'm going to be taking my lip liner from NYX in the color Chestnut. Now we got that definition, it's going to kind of act as my lip color. I'm going to go ahead and take a clear gloss and put that on top. You know, glossy all the way. Last step is to set the face. I'm going to be taking my Urban Decay All Nighter Setting Spray. Just set my face real quick. And this is just going to help everything to just blend really nicely together and for your skin to look really nice. Girl, where the hell is my earring at? One second. I'm going to set my face and then we'll come back. Alright y'all, so this is the final look and my version of a soft glam makeup look. Be sure to let me know in the comment section down below if you are more of a natural glam, soft glam, or full beat down type of girl, or a little bit of all three. I'm definitely a mixture of all three, but I tend to fall more in the natural soft glam category. So go ahead and let me know what kind of glam girl you are. And I hope you enjoyed this video. Thank you so much for watching. And if you'd like to see more content from me, be sure to subscribe, and I'll see you in my next Monday upload. Alright? Oh sis, that is not okay. So what we're not gonna do is act like that's not a problem. That's not what we're gonna do.